developed many innovative measuring tools to bring our users a more efficient and multifunctional measuring experience. Today, we take a step forward to introduce a new way to interact with your measuring tool. NeoRuler provides a more intuitive, more immediate connection to your measurements. The key to achieving all these is the 300 LED lights and the 1.14-inch LED display. Commands that were once hidden are now visible, easily accessible, and also customizable. We have continued to refine our design to be more accurate and efficient. The key technology behind it is the magnetic encoder, which detects precise movement of measurements. It is designed to be powerful and durable with the aluminum alloy unibody frame and 316 stainless steel to meet the highest measuring demands of all professionals. NeoRuler is built for designers, architects, engineers, and all creative enthusiasts. It's portable and powerful, aesthetic, and multifunctional. This is NeoRuler.